Welcome to the first episode of my new Tuesday Trumps series. This week looking at the Lamborghini Countach. If you're not sure what this is all about, and it's certainly not about US politics, check out this video I made by way of introduction. In the Ace Trump Sports Cars pack, the Lamborghini Countach was the star of the show, having the highest figures of all the cars for both top speed and horsepower, although the performance stated was a little higher than the reality. And with a V12 engine, it also tied the top spot for the number of cylinders. But, as I said in my introductory video, it wasn't unbeatable. In terms of both weight and cubic capacity, it could be trumped by a number of other cars, notably the nowadays humble Jaguar XJS. The Countach featured in the pack was an LP400, chassis number 1120038 to be precise, and it was finished in Rosso Speciale with a Bianco or white interior. First sold in Germany in November 1974. These first 110 cars were given the nickname Periscopio, in reference to the periscope rearview mirror. The latest information I have on this exact car is that it sits in a museum and has possibly been repainted in yellow. Lamborghini Countach production ran from 1974 to 1990, with several variants, upgrades and facelifts along the way, including the final anniversary edition that was restyled by one Horacio Pagani. Of all the cars in this Ace Trump Sports Cars pack, the Countach is now by far the most expensive to buy. The cheapest I've seen for sale is a 1990 anniversary edition car in left-hand drive for €500,000, about £420,000. Earlier this year, a Periscopio was sold by RM Sotheby's in Paris for €820,625, including fees, which is £685,000. But you can typically expect to pay upwards of £800,000 for a right-hand drive car, and even as much as £1.2 million for a UK spec Periscopio. Of course, the Countach also gained more fans thanks to the Cannonball Run movies, where two hot chicks, their words not mine, raced across America in a black Countach, with wings both front and rear in the first film, and a red Countach, initially painted white, in the second. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Lamborghini Countach, whether you had a poster of it on your bedroom wall, for example. And give the video a like and subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss the next instalment of Tuesday Trumps. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.